morning, y'all. I just woke up and Steve gave me my coffee. Y'all know that he makes it for me every single morning. So I'm going to make him some yummy Dump and Go Instapot Steel-Cut Oatmeal. Let's begin. Why I show that? So what we're going to start with is a half a cup how to make so be blessed. Here we go. Good morning, y'all. This is not a staged video. I really did just wake up, and anybody that knows me knows I'm not lying right now. I wanted to show y'all really fast something that we make for breakfast sometimes because it's so crazy easy and it's delicious. It's another Instapot recipe. So it's 1 cup of your steel-cut oats. We like the steel-cut oats. You do have to cook them a little longer than your regular oats because they're not instant. But they kind of have more meat to them. It's 2 cups of water. Good old H2O. Some coffee for me, not for that. Sorry, it's really good. It's Dump and Go, not the coffee. 1 cup of plant milk. It just kind of gives it a little creaminess. This is about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then 1 banana. I know. Seems weird. This banana smells really good to me this morning. And you just kind of break it 2 or 3 little pieces just like that. And that's it. That's all you do. And then we're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to pressurize it for 10, I think we actually do ours about 12 minutes. Because I love those noises. Takes about 12 minutes, so we will see y'all soon. Okay, we're back, and we're going to release the steam and let all that come out. And to this, we add 1 cup of frozen berries of your choice. It can be, Steve likes blueberries because they're a superfood, but any kind of frozen, not thawed, don't thaw it first, fruit. We happen to have some frozen strawberries for a jelly recipe that I'm fixing to make and show y'all how to make jelly later on today. So that's what we happen to have in our freezer. So whatever kind of frozen berries you have is what we add to our oatmeal as soon as it's done releasing steam. Now, when you take the lid off, it's going to look a little weird. There's going to be some like water on top, milk and water on top. And the banana's still going to be whole, but it does something magical. I wish we had like an overhead view so you can see this. This is when you stir it, it just all stirs in together and just looks like regular oatmeal. And it's cooked perfectly. And it looks beautiful. And that banana like dissolves. So now it just looks like yummy, yummy oatmeal. And so to that, so it's really, really hot. And when you add the frozen berries, the berries cool it down to a temperature that you can eat it right now. And then also the heat of the oatmeal thaws the berries. So it's like a win-win. And we are going to add, get all mixed up, it's so pretty, some maple syrup for a little sweetness. You can taste it. The berries and the bananas do add some sweetness, so if you like it like that, certainly don't add the maple syrup, but I'm just going to add I don't know, about a teaspoon or 2, and then you can sweeten it by the bowl if you want some more, but there you have it, our Instapot, really quick, yummy, dump and go, steel-cut oatmeal. Now, as a way to top this, We found this product at Kroger. It's the Bare Naked Granola. And the triple berry and the vanilla almond have no oils in them. Quick pro tip is, not a quick pro quo, but quick pro tip. If you use your Kroger card, they mail you coupons, and I got both of these bags for free. So that's pretty sweet. You can use these, or you can use our video where we make granola if you're feeling ambitious. So just a quick plug on how you can top it, some ideas you can top your oatmeal with. Okay, so be sure, y'all, I got up and didn't even brush my hair or my teeth, if we're being honest, and made y'all breakfast. So you can hit that subscribe button for me, and like and share and try the recipes and be blessed. Bye, y'all.